melon can also be used to make a quick boiled soup. It's simple to prepare, nutritious, and delicious.
Winter melon and seaweed quick-boiled soup is light yet flavorful, with a silky texture and hints of oceanic umami and natural sweetness. Ingredients: winter melon, ginger, seaweed. Sliced or chopped ginger, set aside for later use. Adding ginger to soup helps remove unwanted odors while enhancing aroma, and it warms the body, ideal for cold weather or those prone to chills. Scoop out the winter melon seeds with a spoon, peel the skin, then slice it thinly for quicker cooking. Winter melon is high in water content and low in calories, making it perfect for staying hydrated in summer. Rich in vitamin C and minerals, it supports metabolism and promotes healthy skin. Traditional Chinese medicine also values its diuretic properties to reduce swelling, especially for those with damp heat constitutions. Winter melon skin is actually edible and packed with dietary fiber and minerals, offering heat-relieving and diuretic benefits. Removing the winter melon peel when making soup gives it a smoother, cleaner taste. You can slice or dice the winter melon according to your preference. Both methods work fine. Just avoid cutting it into overly large chunks or thick slices, as thinner pieces cook faster. Fry the minced ginger first to release its aroma. This makes the soup more fragrant and flavorful. Toss in winter melon and stir-fry together. Stir-frying winter melon before boiling enhances the soup's richness and natural sweetness. High-heat sautéing releases the melon's inherent fragrance, adding depth to the broth. This method creates a light yet flavorful soup with a satisfying aftertaste. After sautéing, add water until fully submerged, about 2 to 3 centimeters above ingredients. Less water for concentrated broth, more for lighter soup, adjust to preference. Standard ratio: 1 to 1.2 liters water per 500 grams winter melon. Simmer gently after boiling. After the soup comes to a boil, reduce to a simmer and cook covered for 10 minutes until the winter melon is fully tender. The winter melon is cooked when a chopstick pierces it effortlessly and the core turns translucent. Perfectly cooked melon shows slightly yellowed edges with softened yet intact texture. Add seaweed flakes just as the winter melon turns tender. They'll soften in 10 seconds, no extended cooking needed. A drizzle of sesame, all off heat, intensifies the umami instantly. Seaweed soup boasts a distinctive oceanic umami with clear, jade-green broth. Premium flavor unfurls like silk when heated, melting smoothly without fishy aftertaste. Paired with winter melon's sweetness, it creates a layered harmony of sea and land flavors. Add pepper to taste. I personally prefer a heavily peppered soup, but feel free to skip it if you don't like it. It's all about personal preference. Steaming hot winter melon and seaweed soup is ready. Ladle it out and enjoy every flavorful sip. Quick boiled soups take just 15 minutes from prep to boil, no slow simmering needed for busy bees. Customize with any fridge leftovers for a nutrient-packed meal. At just approximately 50 kilocalories per bowl, this soup is a weight-friendly choice with winter melon's hydration and seaweed's minerals. Seaweed delivers iodine plus B vitamins for thyroid health and sustained energy release. Winter melon's 96% water content with potassium combats bloating effectively. Together they offer plant-based protein plus fiber for 3-hour satiety without heaviness. Now that we've explored these culinary secrets, aren't ingredients more fascinating? Food always tastes better when you know the stories behind it. That's the real secret ingredient. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan, do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian, do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough, for ovo-vegetarian. Do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian, do not eat red meat or poultry but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian, mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with 1 meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.